Hi there, and welcome to the Guidance Department virtual open house video. We're so happy you took the time to stop by. So now that you did, let's get to know the OTHS Guidance Department. The OTHS Guidance Department has offices at both the Milburn and Smiley campuses. In total, there are 7 school counselors, 2 school counseling interns, as well as an administrative assistant at each campus. The Guidance Department provides a variety of services ranging from group events like our College to Career Fair and graduation to more individual services such as on-site college admission events, job shadowing, and college application workshops. Within the Guidance Office, school counselors oversee a variety of programs consisting of advanced placement and SLU 1818 dual credit, and school counselors meet with students individually to select coursework for the next year and develop a program and plan specific to the needs of each student. So whether you are needing academic assistance, seeking information related to standardized testing, post-secondary planning, scholarship or financial aid, or simply looking for resources, advice, or guidance related to your current academic or future plans, school counselors and the Guidance Department are here to assist you. So let's meet our counselors. That's me, Mrs. Tiffany Lugie. I'm the Director of Guidance, and I meet with sophomores through seniors at the Smiley campus, last names A through B. This is Mrs. Denise Dismukes. She's also at the Smiley campus, meeting with sophomores through seniors, last names C through F. This is Mrs. Ellen Gravlin. Mrs. Gravlin is at the Smiley campus, meeting with sophomore through senior students, last names G through K. This is Mrs. Janelle Cosdy. Mrs. Cosdy is also at the Smiley campus, meeting with students, last names L through Q. Mrs. Tracy Ritzel is at the Smiley campus, meeting with students, last names R through T. Mr. Travis Hatton is at both the Milburn and Smiley campus. At Milburn, Mr. Hatton meets with freshmen, last names P through Z, and at Smiley, he meets with sophomores through seniors, last names U through Z. Mrs. Tara Keller is our full-time counselor at the Milburn campus, meeting with freshmen, last names A through O, and is our 8th grade placement coordinator. The Guidance Department this year is fortunate to have 2 full-time counseling interns, Mr. Fair from Lindenwood and Ms. Wrench from Missouri Baptist. So remember, we're here for you. We'd love for you to follow and connect with us on social media through Facebook and Instagram. You can also view the OTHS website and email us at guidance@oths.us. Take care, and we hope to see you soon.